Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to come back home from work or market or any other place. In this COVID era, this is very essential. So we should learn about what are the risks after coming to home whether we are coming from market or any place else. Everywhere there is COVID infection. Now the risk of infection at home is also there when a neighbor comes or someone else comes or a delivery person come or some visitors come. So we should all avoid them. Household member for work, mates, friends, etc. should be avoided. After, when we go from home to work or come back from work to home, there is a separate video on going to home. Now when we come from work to home or from other place to home, we should avoid crowded condition, closed spaces and short distances conversation. This is very important. This can be during travel, this can be during marketing, this can be in restaurant. It's very essential. Now the most important thing, the principles is removal of the hazard or replacement of the hazard. Like for example, you have to go to gym. Gym is a hazard, so remove the hazard. Do exercise at home only. So these are isolation of hazard. Like I will come up with the example in the upcoming slides. Similarly, while you are traveling, then you can remove the hazard by doing alternative arrangement by using private transport. You can replace the hazard by modifying mode of transportation. You can isolate the hazard, like if you have to go to bus via bus only, you can keep the windows open. You can sanitize the handle. You can maintain physical distance and avoid talking to the fellow passengers. Similarly, when you go to grocery or market, you can remove the hazard by not going there. So you can minimize the number of people from household who visit to shop, or you can limit your trips, or you can purchase in one go for a longer time. You can replace the hazard by trying online buying. But if you have to go to market or go to the grocery, you can isolate the hazard. That means keep 1 meter distance from other, avoid touching things and avoid touching your face repeatedly. Sanitize the hands repeatedly. Sanitize the handles or buckets or baskets that you are using. And after you come home, wash your hands properly, and also after you handle the purchased products. Keep the products outside home for 2 days or clean them with water or if possible with bleaching powder or compatible items. Change your clothes either outside home and take bath. Or if not possible to change the clothes outside home, take immediate bath and keep the clothes separately. Now, with regard to items, so we don't currently know whether fomites or particles can transfer the virus or not, if notes or coins can transfer it or not. But we have to know that if a person's respiratory droplets are there, they can transfer. So wash your hands regularly after touching any surface. Avoid touching your face, eyes, mouth if your hands are not clean. Similarly, for exercise, remove the hazard by not going to gym. It is best to exercise at home. Isolate the hazard by avoiding group activities or indoor activities. Keep distance of at least 1 to 2 meters and don't use shared equipment. Now, during gatherings, first of all, remove the hazard by staying home, not going for any gathering, not socializing, not going for restaurant, not going for parties. But if you have to go, like there is a wedding or a party or a sports tournament, then check your local rules. Avoid is to go there, but if you have to go, then maintain at least 1 meter distance from others. Wear a mask. If possible, wear an N95 mask or better. Practice proper cuff etiquette. Use elbow for cuffing and wash your hands frequently with soap, water, and sanitizing. Don't touch surfaces. Don't touch your face. But if you are the organizer for such a party or event, then you should minimize the gatherings. Minimum guests should be there. Outdoor venues should be chosen instead of indoor ones. The number of invitees should be limited, and designated seats should be there, which should have adequate physical distancing between the seats. Also provide all necessary supplies, hand hygiene stations, hand sanitizer, water, soap, etc. Uh, you can do some changes in the home also by practicing physical distancing and mask, practicing hand washing, coughing etiquettes, ensuring good ventilation and avoiding gatherings. There should be a separate room for visitor and precautions should be there for them, and a separate room for quarantine in case a family member gets sick. These are some of the common ways that we have to employ to prevent bringing COVID infection into our home. Also, self-reporting and referral is very important. So we should make it a habit to assess our risk, and we should change to the new normal when we are all fight our own. We have to fight our own fight against COVID. We are all frontliners in this fight. We stay home, we stay safe. Thank you.